Hello and welcome to this video on how to train your own ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can generate human-like text responses to a wide range of prompts. In this video, we will go over the basic steps required to train your own ChatGPT so that you can customize it for your own specific needs. Step 1. Choose your dataset. The first step in training your own ChatGPT is to choose a dataset. This dataset will be used to train your model to generate human-like responses. The dataset should be representative of the type of responses you want your model to generate. There are several datasets available for different purposes such as customer service, language translation, or chatbots. Some popular datasets include Cornell movie Dialogs Corpus, Open Subtitles, Reddit comments, and Twitter. Step 2. Preprocess your dataset. Once you have selected your dataset, the next step is to preprocess it. Preprocessing is an essential step in training any machine learning model, and it involves cleaning and transforming the data so that it can be used effectively. In the case of ChatGPT, you will need to tokenize your dataset, which means splitting the text into individual words or subwords. You may also need to remove any unnecessary characters or symbols from the text. Step 3. Fine-tune your model. After you have preprocessed your dataset, the next step is to fine-tune your model. Fine-tuning involves taking a pre-trained language model and training it on your specific dataset. This allows the model to learn the specific patterns and nuances of the language used in your dataset. You can use popular language models such as GPT-2, GPT-3, or BERT as a starting point. Step 4. Evaluate and test your model. Once you have fine-tuned your model, you need to evaluate and test its performance. One way to evaluate your model is to use perplexity, which measures how well your model predicts the next word in a sequence. You can also test your model by giving it prompts and checking if the responses are relevant and coherent. Step 5. Deploy your model. After you have evaluated and tested your model, the final step is to deploy it. You can deploy your model on a cloud service like AWS or Google Cloud, or you can deploy it locally on your own machine. Once deployed, you can start using your ChatGPT model to generate responses to a wide range of prompts. In conclusion, training your own ChatGPT is a challenging but rewarding task. By following these basic steps, you can create a language model that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. Whether you are building a chatbot or a language translation tool, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video, and happy training!